Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for traditional Irish style Christmas pudding. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we're going to take a medium sized bowl, and to that we're going to add some self-raising flour. Then we'll add some allspice, pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of cinnamon. Now we'll just sift this through the bowl just to take out any lumps. And to the bowl then we're going to add our dried fruit. We have currants, raisins, sultanas and chopped up glassy cherries. Then we're going to add some wholemeal breadcrumbs, some dark brown sugar and some unsalted butter. We'll just give that a quick mix round. Now folks, if you find value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. And to that then we're going to add some grated carrot, some mixed peel. Make sure you get the candied peel. Again, give that another mix round. Then to that we're going to add some beaten eggs, some of the famous Irish stout, the zest and juice of a lemon, and the zest and juice of an orange. Again, give that a good mix round just to make sure everything's incorporated. So now we'll take our mixture and we'll transfer it to a smaller bowl just for steaming. Just flatten that down. Then we'll take our mixture. We have a greaseproof lined dome with a split in the middle and some tin foil over the top of it. Pop it over the top and take a bit of string and just tie the tin foil on. And if you want, you can play fingers there with the children. Now that we've got our string on, just tie it into a knot. We'll make a tin foil handle, just a long strip of tin foil, fold it over, then we'll put it on around the bottom of the bowl and just put it over the top and fold it into a knot. As you can see, the handle on top ready to go in the pot. So we take a saucepan and we put something on the base. I've just used the lid of a jar, a jam jar, and then we'll put the Christmas pudding on top. The reason we use the lid is to stop the Christmas pudding from burning. Now we'll fill it up with water about 3/4 of the way up of the bowl, and then we'll steam it for 6 to 7 hours. Just remember to keep topping the water up in case your saucepan boils dry. Now we'll remove our Christmas pudding. Just dry it off. Now please be careful because this is hot, so just release the steam from it. And there we have our traditional Irish Christmas pudding, all ready to serve. Now I've removed mine from the bowl, popped it onto a plate. I like to serve mine flamed with a drop of brandy on a spoon. Just be careful with this because it can be hot. Now folks, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.